Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Cauldron boil and cauldron bubble. Oh, I should make up a potion. I will turn all the kids that are nasty to me into little pigs. And then when they're ready, I will eat them as bacon. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Anyway, yes, I've lost my mind. This is a mist maker. Here, I'm going to shut the door so you can see how nice it looks in the dark. Ooh, it's so spooky and cool. So the only problem with this is it also throws up some water, as you can see. But I'm going to have this outside, so not a big deal. And it's supposed to be kind of like a bubbling potion anyway, or stew, whatever. And I'm going to put some little plastic spiders. I'm hoping my little plastic spiders float and I could put them all in there. That would be a really cool effect. But yeah, it kind of works on the same way as a diffuser does. And then there's some LED lights in there that change. But I think this is really cool. I've actually got a, I was going to get a different bowl, but maybe I don't. Yeah, I think I'll go because I don't like how light that is. It's a blue bowl you can see in there. I'm going to get a black one. And, or I could even paint this one. Well, I'll just buy one at Dollar Tree. But, and then I have it in there on top of something else to make it higher up. But this looks pretty cool, huh? It was like, I think I paid like $12.99 or something for the mist maker. I've always wanted to get one. I've wanted to get one of those like fancy fog machine things, but they were pretty expensive and I didn't really feel like investing that much. So all I wanted was this for my cauldron, and I think it'll look really cool on the table. I'm going to make it totally look like there's witches here. I'm going to have 3 brooms and 3 hats up on the wall and just look like the witches are here having their little meeting. And so the kids are going to have respect for witches to answer the door, which in fact I should dress up as a witch. That would be a good idea. Don't, Rudy's like, what is that? It's fascinating. Yeah, you just want to sneak outside, you little bugger.